Okay, so today your learning target is I can determine the unit rate from a proportion. Okay, so I'm going to write that right on the top here. I can determine unit rates from proportions. Okay, now a proportion is one fraction set equal to another fraction. And we took a look at this briefly when we were introducing the whole concept of unit rate. We looked at what do we multiply one number by to get another, what do we divide one number by to get another, so that we can reduce or increase the size of a fraction. So what they're demonstrating here is that instead of trying to figure out what I did to 3 to get 1 and what I have to do to 90 to get x, instead of that, what we're doing here is we are cross multiplying. Okay, so we're going to take 3 and multiply it times x, and we're going to take 1 and multiply it by 90. Okay, think of a butterfly. If I put this in here and put little antennae up on top and a little eyes, you got a butterfly. Okay, you're creating a butterfly. So 3 times x is 3x, and 90 times 1 is 90. So we write the 90 in here. Now this is the last step of any equation that we've ever done. What do I have to do to both sides to get x all by itself? Well, I've got to divide by 3. So I divide both of those by 3, and I get x is equal to 30. And therefore my unit rate is 30 points per game. Okay, just a different way to look at our unit rates. Same process here, 5 times x, 1 times 100. So here we have 5 times x, which is 5x, and 1 times 100, which is 100. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 20. So that means 20, and we look back at this, and that is dollars per hour. Remember, the per is always what's at the bottom of the right-hand fraction. We're always looking for one of something. 6 times x, 1 times 18. Okay, so you have 6x equals 18. Divide by 6, divide by 6, you get x equals 3. So that means 3 laps per minute. Times x, 1 times 72. 12x equals 72. Divide by 12, divide by 12, x equals 6. So that means 6 miles per minute. Okay, this time with your notes, I'm going to do one more for you and then have you finish the rest on this page during class. So 3 times x is 3x, 1 times 45 is 45. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 15. That means 15 degrees for 1 day. Per day. Okay, so again, after you're done with this video, watching this, I want you to finish 6 through 10 on your notes page, and I will check your work as you go.